Good morning guys, it's Aidette. Today I'm showing you guys what I do whenever I pamper myself. It's just like a very relaxing self-care day, and this is exactly what I do for the times that I just want to feel very clean and soft and just relax, just be zen. We're gonna just jump right into this. This is a very much needed pamper day for me because I haven't had one of these in a very long time. Like, just doing little things to take care of yourself at the end of the day just makes you feel so much better. It makes you feel confident. This is the Tress Wellness Waxing Kit, and this comes with absolutely everything that you need. Even if you're a beginner, this works amazing. It's very fast, easy, and simple to use. I've used this previously before, and let me just tell you, the scents that they have for these hard waxes are immaculate. It's literally only $40. I like to wax my arms because, baby girl, let me just give you guys a close-up. I'm Mexican. My arms grow hair like no tomorrow, and mine are pretty light, which thank gosh, but my hair does grow really fast, so you guys can see that they're pretty long. I know I'll be getting questions about this, so this is the kit that I use. This is the Tress Wellness one, and it comes with the warmer, the wax beans, and it comes with the scents lavender, peppermint, lemon, eucalyptus, and tea tree. It comes with wooden sticks, your instruction manual, paper rings, so you can avoid like getting your warmer all waxy and messy after and pre-spray. Let me start off by putting my hair back. Here's my cute little warmer, so I'm just gonna plug this in, and I'm going to be turning it up to 150 degrees. You guys can do like 150, 170 degrees. It's really up to you. I'm gonna get my eucalyptus little babies ready. Okay, time to pour. It smells so good. I love the scent of eucalyptus. And also, you guys can cover your lid if you guys want the process to go by faster. This wax melting satisfied my soul so much. So we're gonna go ahead and take our pre-wax spray. We're gonna spray this all in the areas where we're going to be waxing. This spray smells so good, just like coconut. So I'm just gonna be really setting it in. And I am applying this with the bigger wooden sticks. It does come with the tiny ones as well. Just gonna be applying a good layer on here. So now we're gonna wait a little bit for this to dry, and then I'm going to pick up a little piece here and we're just going to rip it upwards. All right, so this is the dry wax, which is so pretty. And 1, 2, 3. So smooth. Here's a little close-up. My hairs are so light, so you can't really see them, but it worked so good and just in one strip. Now I'm just doing the same process for like on the bottom part of my arm. So now just lifting up a little piece and just, there you go. So I went ahead and did both arms. Like how baby smooth they look, guys. Like they just feel like baby skin. So now I'm going to be taking the after wax spray, and this can get rid of any residue and just moisturize them, makes them feel super soft. So good. Make sure you rub these babies in, and you guys can do this all over your body. Look how beautiful and shiny and hairless our arms are. If you guys are interested in getting this kit, definitely click the link down below. It saved me so much money rather than going to a waxing salon and paying so much money. And since it is morning time, I do like to go ahead and take my little oil that was provided to me by my brow laminator. She does my brows and she does such an amazing job. And just to keep my brows nice, laminated, keep their shape and keep the moisture, put this generously on my brows, and I comb this through my brows, and I like to have my brows feeling like they're soaked. I love the fact that my brow tech does such an amazing job too, where my brows stay healthy and super supple and amazing. I just like to apply the oil just because I like to take care of my brows on top of them already being healthy. So after I kind of let this marinate into my skin, I'm going to go ahead and take you guys over to my bathroom in probably about an hour, and we can go ahead and wash our faces together. Alright guys, it's been some time, and now I want to wipe off all the oils from my face. So I'm going to be taking, this is like my routine that I have been doing for a while now. So this is my Georgette Cleanser Vitamin C Cleansing Gel. This is amazing. I swear, like this cleared up my skin. I'm not even kidding. So I like to take a little bit. Really it depends. Sometimes I'll just wash my face fully like this in the morning, or it'll be at night. It really just depends on how I'm feeling that day. And I'll take a little bit of water Then I'll go ahead and pat my face dry. I actually found out in a previous video that I'm supposed to pat my face, and I know that seems like a basic thing, but I didn't know that. I didn't know that it could do damage to your skin. So I actually have two different fresh creams. So this one is the Dream Face Cream Night Recovery. I love this because it's like thick, but it doesn't feel thick, and it makes me feel super moisturized and like hydrated at night. I like to use this one during the day. This one is the Lotus Youth Preserve Moisturizer. Fresh products are amazing. I love their lip balms. You guys will see that in a second, but I like to take this. I take some on the back of my nail because I do have acrylics. So I just like to take this and apply it all on my face. And I like to take like, I like to do like little upwards motions. I'm not a specialist or a professional when it comes to like face yoga, but I have been seeing some videos like on YouTube and stuff. It really just helps with blood circulation. And then I have this eye cream. This is the Lotus Youth Preserve Eye Cream by Fresh. And I just take a little bit, take it right under my eyes, and this just like really helps me feel awake. But I do have some pimples on my face, so what I do like to do is just take this Mario Badescu drying lotion. So I'll either take this or I will take my tea tree oil, and this stuff right here truly just does it for me on my pimples like this. It kind of burns a little bit, not gonna lie. I only have like chin acne right now. It's really just 3 dots. And then I will take a lash serum. I have been switching between, but today I'll be using my Grande Lash. I have been using this before, so I switched between this one and this other one in a blue little bottle. There's also a Grande Brow, and I like to use this to go onto my brows. As you guys can see, I am literally obsessed with taking care of my brows. I love them looking neat and beautiful. Once you start laminating your brows, I swear to you guys, you will not see your brows the same. You'll look at your before brows and be like, what was I doing? I kind of feel like this video turned out to be more of like a pamper routine slash showing you guys really quickly like what has gotten rid of my acne. These small like 5 products have literally just made them vanish. I'm just gonna be enjoying my day. I'm gonna be doing some self-care, like reading a book, listening to music, writing in a journal, manifesting, doing things like that, things that are going to benefit me. We'll meet at night. I am going to be taking a bath. Okay, just kidding. I almost forgot to tell you guys about this. So this is the Fresh Sugar Mango Hydrating Lip Balm. I love these lip balms. I swear, like, I don't like anything else. Oh my goodness, they have like peach. Peach is the one that made me fall in love. They have watermelon, and they also kind of like give you like a tint on your lips, which is amazing. So I'm gonna apply this too. I'm gonna show you guys. So my lips are never chapped, ever because of this product. So here's my before. Don't you just want to eat this? It's just so good. It just glides on. You look super kissable. Hello cuties. So it has been all throughout the day, and this is what I'm looking like. I'm still looking like I'm glowing. Like, I have not touched my face whatsoever, and it's been like a whole day. I'm talking about like 8 hours. I'm very clean and fresh still. I love these products to keep me non-oily, but I have the biggest stash of like so many masks. So I kind of want like a relaxing scented bath. I'm gonna be using the Aches and Pains Nighttime Relief. This is just going to relax me. I really like using this and putting it in my baths, or even like at the bottom of my showers. So today I'm actually thinking about just like taking a shower and just like laying on the bath floor. I know that sounds so bad and like weird, but I actually do it like pretty often, and I feel like it's the equivalent of a bath. I just feel like sometimes I just want to feel like rain on me. I want to feel like water dripping on me rather than just being soaked and submerged in like hot water. I just think that that's my preference sometimes. So there's a complete mess under here, but I'm going to grab my hair cap. This is so nice and silky, and I'm just gonna go ahead and stick my hand in here, and whatever mask pulls out is the one that we're gonna be using today. Okay, this one's the one that I picked out. So this one is the Dupiel Defense Mask for Pores. I just washed my hair like 2 days ago, and it's still really fresh since I just straightened it yesterday. So I'm trying to keep her dry. Little cap. This is from Slip. I look like Patrick, bro. Time to relax. Very much needed. Alright cuties, so we are nice and clean, and this is my outfit. These are like my favorite little pajama shorts. I love them, they're so fluffy, and I have on these little designer looking house shoes, and these are by Ego. And then my white little sports bra. This one's old, as you guys can see, but hair up in a bun. And my Uber Eats just actually got here, so let's go freaking get it. I'm so excited. So much sushi. Now I'm running in the dark. I'm actually gonna eat it. Oh my god, wait, they gave me a coconut bottle. Immaculate. This is really just like not fair game at this point because I don't know how to open a Coke bottle. Bro, come on. Whoever invented bottle caps deserve to go to jail. Now I'm gonna pour the soda in with some ice. First sushi and my second sushi. Okay, now look how cute this little light is. These have been going like viral on TikTok and they actually got sent to me. This is what she looks like on the wall, before and after. This is the movie, Barbie as Rapunzel. This was one of my most favorite movies from my childhood. It's a comfort movie. Armani is so excited for his little bites of sushi. This man is so spoiled. Good night, guys.